Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Canva brand kit. First, navigate to the brand kit section from your Canva homepage. This powerful feature helps you maintain a consistent brand identity across all your designs. It centralizes your brand assets, making it incredibly easy to apply your unique look to every project. By setting up your kit, you ensure professionalism and strong brand recognition, saving you valuable time in the long run. Next, let's add your brand logos and define your color palettes. You can upload multiple versions of your logo, including different layouts or color variations. For colors, simply input the hex codes for your primary, secondary, and accent colors. Canva allows you to add up to 100 color palettes, giving you extensive flexibility. This ensures every design perfectly matches your brand's established visual guidelines, making color application effortless. Now, let's select your brand's typography. Choose your preferred fonts for headings, subheadings, and body text from Canva's extensive library. If your brand uses a specific font not available, you can easily upload custom font files. Remember to ensure your chosen fonts are legible and reflect your brand's personality. This step guarantees consistent typography across all your marketing materials, reinforcing your brand's unique voice. Finally, let's talk about using your brand kit. Once set up, your brand assets are readily accessible within any new or existing Canva design. With just a few clicks, you can apply your logos, colors, and fonts, ensuring every creation is perfectly on brand. This streamlined process saves you significant time and effort, allowing you to maintain a cohesive and professional appearance across all your digital and print materials. It's truly a game changer for brand consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.